Hello students, myself Navneet Patel, and today we are going to discuss with a new topic. The topic is salt. So basically you know about the salt. When acid and base react together, then salt and water will be formed. Okay. So like this, so salt, what is the proper definition of salt? So it is the ionic compound formed by the partial replacement or complete replacement of the hydrogen atom of an acid by a metallic ion or ammonium ion. Okay, so these are such type of the substance are known as the salt. Is that clear? So basically salt will be formed by the neutralization reaction, as we have already discussed in the previous video. What is the neutralization reaction? So when an acid and a base react together, then salt and water will be formed. This reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. This is the acid and NaOH is the base. So salt and water will be formed. Okay, so this is the monobasic acid. So here, look here. So hydrogen, it is replaced by the sodium hydroxide, and this replacement is the complete replacement. Okay, this replacement of the complete, not partial replacement. Look in second example. When H2SO4 is the dibasic acid. Okay. So in dibasic acid, when H2SO4 reacts with the NaOH, so there are two conditions. First one, when the H2SO4 hydrogen is partially replaced by the NaOH from the H2SO4. So here will be the partial replacement. Here is the partial replacement. But in this case, look here, hydrogen is also replaced by the, when two hydrogen replaced by the sodium hydroxide. So here is complete replacement. So in both cases, when the partial replacement of hydrogen from an acid and complete replacement of hydrogen from the acid, in both cases salt will be formed. Okay. So now next topic is classification of the salt. So there are various types of the salt. So first one, normal salt, second one, acidic salt, third one, basic salt, fourth one, mixed salt, fifth one, double salt, and last one is the complex salt. And complex salt is also, you can say, the coordinate salt. Okay. So first, normal salt. What is the normal salt? A complete replacement of the hydrogen atom. Means normal salt will be formed after the complete replacement of the hydrogen from the acid. That means when an acid donate their whole hydrogen, after this normal salt will be formed. Look this, in this reaction, HNO3 is the acid and it is the base. So when HNO3 react with the potassium hydroxide, then one hydrogen is here, so one hydrogen replaced from the HNO3, then a KNO3, it is the salt, KNO3, and water will be formed. Okay students, so this is the condition for the normal salt. Next, acidic salt. So what is the acidic salt? Acidic salt can be formed by the partial replacement of the hydrogen atom, of an acid by the metallic or ammonium ion. Okay, look in this case, this is the dibasic salt. Okay, dibasic salt. In dibasic salt, this is the potassium hydroxide. It is also known as the alkali. So alkali, those are those base which can dissolve in the water. So such type base are known as the alkali. So when dibasic salt react with the base, then one hydrogen replaced from this acid. So this acid is known as the potassium bisulfate, and this salt is known as the this salt is known as the acidic salt. This salt is known as the acidic salt because it will be formed by the partial replacement of the hydrogen atom. Look here, two hydrogen there. One hydrogen is replaced and rest one hydrogen is rebuilt with the compound. Okay. Now next, basic salt. What is the basic salt? By the partial replacement of the hydroxyl ion. In this case, basic salt, not hydrogen ion. In this case, hydroxyl ion, because in basic salt, hydroxyl ion may be present. Okay, sorry, must be present. In basic salt, the partial replacement of the hydroxyl ion of diacidic, a diacidic base or triacidic base. Diacidic base means the base which contain the basicity is 2. In case of the triacidic base means the base which have the 3 acidity. Okay, look this, in this reaction, copper hydroxide, in copper hydroxide 2 hydroxyl ion are there, so it act as a base and it is diacidic base. कैसा base है? Diacidic base. When diacidic base react with the acid, then one hydroxyl ion replaced by the acid and another hydroxide ion engulfed with the salt. In this case, this such type of the salt is known as the basic salt. Okay. Now next, double salt. Double salt is the combination of 2 normal salt. When 2 simple salt combined together and form the dual salt. Okay. But the molecular ratio will be the simple, will be present in the simple form like 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, that means the combination of 2 simple salt in the simple molecular ratio. That means the stoichiometry of the molecules is normal or simple. These are the example. First one is the Mohr salt. Mohr salt. What is the Mohr salt? Mohr salt is the combination of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate. Ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate. When the ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate combine together, so this salt is known as the dual salt. Okay. Next, potash alum. Potash alum, you know very well the formula. K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24H2O. So look this, in this salt, here one salt is here and one salt is here. The combination of 2 salts. So when the combination of 2 salts is known as the dual salt. Okay. In this video, we will discuss the types of the salt and here complex salt and mixed salt will be discussed in next video. Okay. Thank you and thank you for watching.